Look Up TV and other organizations on Thursday organized an AIDS program at Dagoretti Sub-County Hospital in Mutuni as the nation marks the World AIDS Day. Now, the event that has seen a good attendance rather. Let me just take that again. The event that saw a good attendance of locals as locals came to strike. Let me just check that again, I'm sorry. Alive and Kicking Social Enterprise Company, in partnership with Look Up TV and other organizations, on Thursday organized an AIDS program at Dagoretti Sub-County Hospitals in Mutuni as the nation marks the World AIDS Day. Now, the event that has seen a good attendance of locals comes as the strikes more than 34,000 people and more than 2 million losing their lives, the highest number records, which is 52% of an age group of 15 and 29 years.
Sub-County Hospital in Mutuni, residents stand out in large numbers to an event organized by Alive and Kicking Social Enterprise that people are to be tested and get a ball. This is one of the families among others present that now boast of an assurance of being safe after taking a testing step.
That news ya jana ndio ilifanya nikuje leo. Nijijue nisikue maybe mimi ni mwadhiriwa na sijui nianze kujipata maybe afya inadhorotisha inaharibika.
Ningetaka sana, unajua nilikuwa nimekaa sana kabla sijaangaliwa. I was coming just to know status yangu. Yeah, even though I was sure of it, sometimes usikuange sure 100%.
Despite knowing their status and even after being together for a long time, they feel that the danger of the virus might be roaming around without notice.
Yeah, it is a matter of trust, but pia kuna accidents do happen. Napata ulienda kusaidia mtu kwa first aid, alikuwa positive, amekuwa affect.
In addition, they call on the government and other private sectors to initiate such programs which aims to build up the society.
Ukiangalia line huko ni kubwa. So watu wamekuja kutestiwa at the same time mtu akipata something. Kenya, it all depends on what am I getting? What am I getting in return?
We need a lot of initiatives like these ones. Watu wakuja wapimwe ndio, there is that person uko kwa kijiji maybe anaogopa, maybe it is expensive.
On the other hand, those that participated in the event did not lack a word.
And I've just come to know my status.
Wale wako huko wasiogope, wakuja wapimwe, wajijue hali hao.
Unajua sika vijana, hii ugonjwa ni sina tu affect sana. Sasa lazima mtu ajue status yake ndio uweze adika play safe.
Since 2004 till now, the organization has been running these programs and creating awareness of the HIV and AIDS. Martin Bernard, one of the organizers, states that the results are appealing.
And the realization was that the ball is a fantastic tool when you're talking about creating awareness of social issues, particularly.
According to the report from the National Syndemic Control Council, in the new cases of up to more than 34,000 people, 70% are women and girls, with a prevalence of 4.5% are of adolescents and people aged 15 and 49.
Research has shown we have more women who know their HIV status as compared to men. About over 80% of women do know their HIV status.
In an interview with Dr. Josephine, the early testing is vital for a person's self-being and the build-up of the society.
As a healthcare worker, getting yourself tested, knowing your status. If you do test negative, making sure you remain negative. If you do test positive, getting yourself to a point of care so that there is treatment, it's available, it's free.
Also, it is not a one-man responsibility, but a collective one, including the efforts of the public and the private sectors.
This heavy weight, to carry the heavy weight together, because it belongs to all of us as Kenyans, doesn't belong to just the government. It's not the work of the government only. And I do know that, like, for example, private hospitals, they do actually do a lot when it comes to HIV testing.
And as the nation marks the World AIDS Day across the country, Alive and Kicking hopes that many will come to be tested and get a ball. Moses Okech, Look Up TV.